This is what happens when you heat up these processors with hot air. See that bubbled up circuit board? So this cluster was shipped to us here in Ozark, Missouri, all the way from Spain. So they paid a great deal amount in shipping, and now we're in this situation. Lucky for them, we have a parts cluster that used to have a bad processor. So we're going to go ahead and swap in their processor into this board and swap out this and swap those two out and the two displays, and we're basically going to have to piece it together for them. But this is going to cost them about double what it would have cost them for them to just ship it to us without trying to repair it. So we charge like $150 for this service. Now it's going to be about $300 for them, which is still cheaper than going to the dealer. Dealers are like $300, or dealers are like $1,200 for the exchange. So if you don't have the correct tools, knowledge and skill and experience, do not try this. As you could see, that's pretty bad. We're not even going to attempt to repair that, because there's no long-term fix for that one. Thanks for watching.